Good morning, my dear intelligent students. So, how are you doing these days? I really hope that you all are studying well, taking regular online classes and doing self-study. That is most important thing. I'm your science teacher, Ms. Zainab Khan, and I welcome you once again on my YouTube channel. So kids, take a pause. Do not forget to like the video. Also subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for latest notifications. Okay, so let's get started. As you already know that we are on chapter number 2, Air and Water, wherein we have completed the brief introduction of air and we have also done composition of air, wherein you studied about different types of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. But today we are up to something very new and unique and interesting as well. So I hope you will like the video and I believe that you will mention your name, class and section in the comment box for your attendance purpose, and at the same time do not forget to have your rough notebooks with you to note down some important facts and information. So kids, let's start our today's topic where we will study about properties of air and what atmosphere is all about. How many types of layers do we have in atmosphere? So just wait for the twist. We'll be having lots of fun and various unique different types of experiments with one very interesting thing which I'm going to show you now. Okay students, so let's start with our topic, properties of air. Here you can see three different properties of air. First one is air occupies space. Second one is air has weight. And third one is air exerts pressure. And we'll discuss each one of them in a very detailed way. So let's first begin with air occupies space. Now I'm going to show you one thing. This is your balloon, empty balloon, okay, an empty balloon I'm showing you here. But what will happen if I'll blow air inside it? Let me show you. The size of the balloon is getting bigger and bigger. You know why? Because air is taking up some space inside the balloon. And now, no air. So, if air has gone, that means balloon is again empty. And if again I will blow this balloon, what will happen? See. See again. The size of the balloon is increasing just due to presence of air. This shows that air occupies space. That's why the size of the balloon is increasing due to the presence of air. Now our second property, air has weight. Now are you all ready for the second property? Air has weight. See, this is one very fine example. I will show you. Okay kids. So here you can see two different balloons and they both are balanced. With this activity, we will explore more about that air has weight. For this, you need to have one wooden stick or you can take one scale, thread and two balloons with you. Okay, take the middle of the stick, tie it up with the thread to have a middle balance. Then secure the balloon with the thread and tie it on this very corner from both the sides. Now hang this balloon up. As you will be able to see, both the sides are equal. And now I'll show you something. What will happen if I'll prick one balloon? What will happen? Stick will be like this only, or it will bend right side or left side due to the air weight. Now you will see. I'm gonna prick one balloon now. And this happened. Automatically this sign bent more towards down. Why? Because this balloon is having some weight. This balloon is all filled with air and this side is left with nothing. So that's why the stick is bending down in this position. Understood? Now the third and the last property, air exerts pressure. Kids, you know air pressure plays really very important role in our life. How? Okay, let me give you one example. When you used to suck liquid with the help of a straw, that means you're applying the rule of air exerts pressure. Over there, air is applying some pressure. That's why the liquid is getting inside your mouth. Second example is your dropper or your syringe. Whenever you fill up a syringe, just because of the air pressure. Okay, and a dropper as well. Now students, I'm going to show you one activity related to air pressure. See, this cup is of this size, but as soon as I'll blow balloon inside this cup, the size of the cup will increase a bit automatically due to air pressure. Okay? So with the help of this activity, you will come to know that weight of the air pushes down any of the object. Okay, so let's see. Also it will hold. Just because of the air is filled inside the balloon, the size of this cup is slightly increasing. Now you can see. It will come back to its position. Understood? So these are the three properties of air. Number 1, air occupies space. Number 2, air has weight. And number 3, air exerts pressure. And pressure is almost used in our daily life. And you have also heard that whenever we used to go to the mountain level, okay, or any kind of a hill station when you visit, so the amount of air pressure reduces over there. And the amount of oxygen also reduces over there, which results in the higher risk of sickness or disease to some people. When the amount of oxygen is reduced, that means the person who is having a sort of breathing problem, so he or she will get suffered more easily. Now, I hope this concept is clear to you, and you need to perform this activity at your home as well. The experiments are really very easy. I know you all are intelligent students and you can perform the activity in a very well manner. And our last topic of today's video is atmosphere. And I'll tell you what atmosphere is all about. Okay kids, so let's talk about atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by a thick layer of gases that is known as atmosphere. And how many types of layers do we have in atmosphere? We have 5 layers in our atmosphere. So let's study about them. Earth is the most beautiful and unique planet in our solar system, and it is surrounded by a thick layer of gases called atmosphere. Students, this atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. You can see here different 5 layers. First one is troposphere, second is stratosphere, third mesosphere, fourth thermosphere, and fifth one is exosphere. Let's discuss about them. Troposphere is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere where we live, human beings, plants, animals. We are present in troposphere. Almost all weather changes take place in this region only. Stratosphere, it starts just above the troposphere. This is the layer, you can also call it as ozone layer. Okay. So, what's the function of ozone layer? It absorbs sun's ultraviolet radiation. And jet aircrafts usually fly in this type of layer only. Okay students. Now the third one is your mesosphere. You can see here different orange lines are coming downwards. They are your meteors. Okay. So meteors burn up in this layer and thus they do not reach the earth. Otherwise, if they'll reach on the earth, they will produce lot of destruction for the humans. Now, fourth one is your thermosphere. It starts just above the mesosphere. This particular section is specially for satellites. Satellites move in this layer. And the last one you can see is exosphere. This is the upper limit of our atmosphere. It extends from the top of thermosphere up to 10,000 kilometers. So as you know that atmosphere helps in maintaining the right conditions for our survival on the earth. Plus it protects us from sun's harmful ultraviolet rays from reaching the earth. And we have already read about different gases present in the atmosphere which are really very useful to us. So, kids, I really hope that you understood the topic well and you know your homework. So, you have to perform the activity, learn all the names of the atmosphere's layer, and keep doing hard work. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, take care. And one more thing I want to mention, that do not forget to revise your classwork and do not forget to watch these revision videos. These videos are really very important for each and every one of you. So, students, keep learning, keep shining, and keep smiling. Goodbye.